all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Jules. If you've not heard of me before, I'm new to YouTube. This is my second video in terms of the cleaning side of it. I've got a few videos up, but this is my second one. I'll link below the last video I did, which was a clean. And welcome back to my series of Sunday spotless cleaning. Please subscribe to my channel, which is here. Today's video is a bit of a twist. It's a review on a product that I bought the other day, but it's also some cleaning. My cat's just jumped in, bless him. Anyway, moving on. So today's video is an oven clean. We all hate them, but they have to be done. Me especially. I hate doing my oven. I really hate it, but it has to be done. So I thought I would try this new product by Elbowgrease called the Oven Cleaner. And yeah, watch this and I'll let you know how we get on with the oven clean. So grab your cup of tea and clean with me.
The first thing I've done is given all my oven trays and my racks a really good clean. Using the stainless steel wire wool. Now I'm going to get my Elbowgrease oven cleaning kit. Inside you've got 2 pair of gloves, disposable gloves, a bottle of solution and a plastic bag for your racks to go in.
So just before I put the racks in the bag, I just wanted to show you how disgusting they are. So if I put it against that, you'll probably be able to see better. Can you see all the burnt?
So now what I'm going to do is pop both oven racks into this plastic bag. The plastic bag holds 2 oven racks inside, and I'm going to get my solution. I'm going to pop half the solution into the bag. It's quite like a gel-like substance rather than a watery liquid, which is quite interesting. Next you seal the bag up, give it a shake, mix all that solution around. So I've popped some of the solution on my oven door, and I'm now using just a normal washing up scourer to clean my oven door. Now this advises that you leave this on overnight if it's really bad, and it was really bad, but as you can see it doesn't need to be left. It's coming clean off with a little bit of a scrub. It's just coming away. This stuff is amazing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a clean piece of kitchen towel and I'm just going to wipe over just to show you how clean it is. So we're just going to use the kitchen towel and we're just going to wipe over the glass. A bit difficult to hold with the phone, but there we go. As you can see, it's just wiping away. No effort needed whatsoever. It's just coming completely off the glass door. So that's it, my glass oven door is all clean and done. So now what I'm going to do is pop some of this solution into the middle of my oven, and I'm just going to use the same sponge just to spread that around. I'm actually going to leave this overnight because this oven is pretty bad. It's not been done for quite a while, so yeah, I'm going to do that. So that's it for tonight. I'm going to leave these racks on top of the oven door to let them soak, and then we'll be back in the morning. Good morning guys. So we've left that overnight, and as you can see it's had a bit of a difference. So this is the rack that we're going to wash this morning. I've already done one just to give you an example. That's all nice and clean. It's even come out of the ridges at the side. So we're just going to pop this in and give this a wash using some soapy water and a scourer. And as you can see, it just comes clean off, no problems at all. So both racks are finished now. They're all nice and clean. So I'm just going to lift this up so you can see. So I'm going to hold up to light. Can you see how it's got right into the ridges, which is always the really difficult places when it comes to cleaning the oven racks, I find. I find it really difficult. So yeah, but it's got it up nice and clean, so I'm really impressed. So now I'm going to dispose of this bag of solution. What it says to do is to cut a corner and then pop it into the sink and straight into your plug hole. So lastly is the oven now, and as you know I've left this overnight, and I'm just going to work that solution in a bit more and give it a really good clean at the bottom. And changing over to the wire, stainless steel wire, I'm just going to work that in and give it a really good scrub, get all them burnt bits off the bottom of the oven. I'm also going to work that into the shelves as well, all the way up the sides of the oven too. So for them really stubborn bits of burnt on food at the bottom of the oven, I think the best thing to use is a scraper, and we're just going to scrape that off now. Once that's done, give it a wipe through with some kitchen roll and you're finished. I'm just going to use some glass cleaner. Today I'm using Elbowgrease. I'm just going to wipe over with a cloth, and as you can see this is going to come up lovely and clean.
Hi guys, welcome back. So what did you think? Well, I have to say I am really impressed with this. I would highly recommend it. It's quite cheap. I picked it up from the range, but I'm sure it's available in other shops. Very easy to use, very safe, and to be honest with you, the biggest thing for me was that it didn't smell. It didn't have that smell that some oven cleaners have. It had no smell to it at all, and the burnt off bits from the rack and the actual oven came off no problem. A bit of scraping but nothing major, so I would highly recommend this, and I will be using this again. It's really impressed with it.